Imagine turning your text or images into stunning animated videos, all for free. Sounds impossible? Today I'll show you how to create eye-catching videos effortlessly using a cutting-edge free AI tool. Perfect for beginners? This step-by-step guide will get you started in no time. Step 1. What is Steve.ai? Steve.ai is a free, beginner-friendly, AI-powered video generator that lets you create animated videos using text or images. It's perfect for making social media content, explainer videos, or even professional presentations. Step 2. Sign up for free to get started. Head over to Steve.ai and click on the Sign Up Free button. Create an account using your email or log in with your Google account. Once inside, you'll be greeted by an intuitive dashboard with a clear Create Video button. The best part? The free version provides all the basic features you need to get started without any watermark issues on standard downloads. Step 3. Create a text-to-video animation. Let's start by turning text into an animated video. Click on the text-to-video option on the dashboard. Enter your script or text in the provided box. For example, type, AI animation tools are changing the way we create content. Let's explore how. Choose the animation style, whether you want 2D character animation, motion graphics, or a simple storyboard. Steve.ai will automatically match animated characters, backgrounds, and transitions to your text. Customize further by selecting specific colors, fonts, or character actions. In just minutes, your text is transformed into a professional-looking animated video ready to download or share. Step 4. Create an image-to-video animation. Now let's explore the image-to-video option. Select image to video on the dashboard. Upload the images you want to animate. For example, choose a photo of a cityscape or a product you want to highlight. Add animation effects to the images like zoom in, fade out, or panning across the photo. You can also insert text overlays, voiceovers, or background music to bring the images to life. Step 5. Customize and export. Once you've created your video, preview your work to ensure everything looks good. You can make quick edits to text, animation speed, or visuals. Hit the export button and choose your preferred resolution. 720p is free. Your video will be ready to download or share directly on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook. You've just created a stunning animated video from scratch, all for free. That's it, folks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what type of videos you would like to see next. Until then, happy animating, and I'll see you in the next video.